When you go to My Computer, you will see the flash drive named Abuti. Just double-click to see everything included on this flash drive. Firstly, you will see an instruction pamphlet that could help you to install the software. You will also find a technical support email address. Remember that we are always here to help you, should you get stuck. So let's go back to the Abuti Syllabus folder. Inside this folder, you will find a file named Abuti. You will notice the Abuti logo. Just make sure you click on the .exe file. The other files won't open the software. You will be prompted to activate the software. So just click OK. Then you will be asked to key in your activation code. This is the code our technical support team send you via email or WhatsApp. The easiest way is to copy the code directly from the email or WhatsApp we sent and paste it into the box like this. Now, click on the Abuti exe file again and the software will start running automatically.